Hi guys, welcome back to H&M Tech Tutorial, and in this video tutorial I will show you how to create a Google Wallet account. So Google Wallet is a convenient and secure way to make payments online, and so let's get started. So first up, what you can do, download and install Google Wallet so in your Android or iOS phones. So once you will download Google Wallet option in your phone, so you can open a Google Wallet app in your phone. So once you will open the Google Wallet app, like I am opening app over here, so click on get started option. So once you will click on get started option, so you can sign in with your email address, as I already signed in with my Gmail account. So once you will sign in with the Gmail account, you can see multiple options over here. Like you can see a option of add a wallet. So once you will click on add wallet option, it means that you're going to attach your debit or credit card. So in this way you can add a debit or credit card, as I simply add details over here. So it's just processing my card over here. As you can see, my card is just attached, and what you can do, you can add all the possible details like your bank account details. So in this way you can store a Visa card over here or any card you have. So once you will attach your card over here, so you can do it will redirect you to verify your banking details. So you can verify yourself by following. You may need to enter a verification code which is sent to your phone or your email. As I'm trying here to get my email over here, or the code. As you can see, I just got code over here. So once I will enter code over here, it will redirect me to the card which details I have been stored over here. So my card is just attached. So as you can see, I'm just going to open again, and my payment method are very secure over here. You can make payments over here in easy way. You can pay your bills directly using this card. So basically the purpose of Google Wallet is to store your banking details in a single wallet, so you don't need to keep it along with you. All your information and banking details are stored over here. So you can choose different options as well. As you can see, my details are showing over here. So you can simply remove your account or remove your payment method over here. Simply click on the remove payment method. So in this way you can remove all the details which you have entered over here. So there are different options in a Google Wallet which is highly recommended, and you can use other options as well, like transit pass, loyalty card, gift cards, and many other options. So in this way you can choose transit agencies. If you want to paying it for different agencies, you can choose different agencies over here. So let's move toward another option which is showing on a Google wallet. So you can transit pass as well. If you have a transit pass, you can use it. You can use different loyalty cards as well. So by the way, it will just recognize for this, some of the banks are supported for it, not it's not supported for the every bank. So it's just for a limited time. Every bank will recognize it later on. So in this way you can create account over here, and I hope so you enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, like, comment, and subscribe my channel for more videos like this.